Maruti Suzuki's infotainment systems offer versatile navigation through integrated maps and offline route capabilities. Access navigation by tapping the navigation icon on the home screen. Use either the built-in maps or connect your smartphone. Integrated maps provide 2D, 3D views, route planning with multiple stops, and toll avoidance. For offline routes, connect to Wi-Fi or mobile data to download map regions within the Maps app up to 10 gigabytes. Once downloaded, the system uses GPS for navigation without internet, crucial for areas with poor connectivity. To enhance safety, utilize voice commands to minimize distractions while driving. To connect Android Auto or Apple CarPlay for enhanced navigation in your Maruti vehicle, start by enabling them through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Android Auto mirrors Google Maps with full features, allowing seamless access to navigation through your smartphone. Apple CarPlay integrates Apple Maps or Waze, typically using a wired connection, though wireless options are coming in select 2026 models. To activate, navigate to Settings on your infotainment system, then Connected Apps, and enable Android Auto or CarPlay. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. Ensure your smartphone runs Android 10 or higher or iOS 12 or higher with an active data plan for real-time navigation updates. These integrations offer faster load times, voice-guided parking assistance, and real-time traffic rerouting, enhancing your navigation experience. Note that wireless Android Auto is standard in 2025 models for cable-free convenience. With Android Auto or CarPlay connected, enjoy enhanced navigation in your Maruti vehicle.